If you're thinking about selling your home this spring, you're probably wondering, is it still a seller's market? Are homes still getting multiple offers? Should I price high? Maybe see what happens? Spring 2026 is not the frenzy market we saw a few years ago, but homes are still selling. The difference now is strategy. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you should be doing right now to sell successfully in this Colorado spring market. We're going to cover what the spring 2026 market actually looks like, the biggest pricing mistakes sellers are making, the updates, what matters most, how a buyer is negotiating with you right now, and how to position your home to stand out. If you're in Denver, Castle Rock, Highlands Ranch, Lone Tree, or anywhere along the Front Range, this applies to you. If you appreciate straightforward Colorado real estate advice, hit like and subscribe. I break down the market every week so you can make smart moves. Let's start with the big picture. In 2026, professional marketing is not optional, it's expected. Winning listings include professional photography, video walkthroughs, drone footage when appropriate, and a strong online presence. It's a strategic exposure beyond just the MLS. If their home is not standing out visually, it's going to get scrolled right past. In Denver, staging and lighting, it matters heavily. In Castle Rock and Parker, highlighting the lot size and community amenities, those make a difference. Presentation online equals leverage in negotiation. This spring, are asking for inspection credits, closing cost assistance, rate buy downs. It doesn't mean the market is bad. It means we're back to a normal real estate market. Strong sellers, they plan ahead. Decide your bottom line before listing. Budget for those minor inspection items. Stay flexible, but firm. Homes are still selling, but strategic flexibility creates smoother, stronger outcomes. So what should you be doing right now? Get a realistic valuation based on the recent sales. Make the small strategic cosmetic updates. Price correctly from day one. Invest in the strong marketing and be prepared. We're going to negotiate. Spring is still the strongest selling season in Colorado. Success in 2026, bottom line, it simply requires intention. If you're thinking about selling in Denver, Castle Rock, Parker, Highlands Ranch, Lone Tree, or anywhere in the South Metro, let's build the plan. Every neighborhood behaves differently, and the right strategy can change your outcome by tens of thousands of dollars. Subscribe for weekly Colorado real estate insights. And if you're ever considering selling this year, I'd love to help you position your home to win this spring. Spring 2026 is a balanced market. Buyers have options. Homes are not selling just because they hit the MLS. What I'm seeing across the South Metro, well-priced homes, they move in 2 to 3 weeks. Overpriced homes are sitting 30 plus days. Negotiation is normal again. It's not a weak market. It's a rational market. Buyers are being cautious and analytical, comparing your home to 5 others online before they even ever schedule a showing. Your first showing happens on Zillow. If you don't win online, you don't get an appointment. This is where the sellers are making the biggest mistakes. They're pricing based on 2022 expectations instead of 2026 data. In today's market, pricing slightly above the market does not create market negotiation leverage. It creates inactivity. Buyers are skipping overpriced homes entirely. Here's what you should do. Look at the homes that have sold in the last 60 to 90 days. Pay attention to the days on market in your neighborhood. Price at market value or even slightly under to create urgency. The strongest sales this spring are happening in the first 10 to 14 days. When a home sits too long, buyers assume something is wrong, even if it shows perfect. Strategic pricing protects that final sale price. Buyers today are payment conscious. With higher rates than a few years ago, they don't want to take on the project unless the price reflects it. The homes getting the best offers right now, they typically have neutral paint, updated lights and fixtures, crisp landscaping, deep cleaned, decluttered and open spaces. You do not need a full remodel, but you do need your home to feel move-in ready, well-maintained, bright and clean. In places like Highlands Ranch, Lone Tree, and Parker, turnkey homes are winning. Small cosmetic improvements often produce disproportionate returns. Quick question for you. If you're thinking about selling this year, what's your biggest concern? Pricing, getting enough showings, inspection negotiations? Drop it in the comments below. I read and I respond personally. And if this has been helpful, hit like so more Colorado sellers can find this video.